Hello, I'm Suraj here. In this video, we are going to see one application which is prospect entries. I made this application by using model-driven app. So let's start exploring this application. So in the front side, you can see a sitemap. A sitemap is nothing but used to mapping different entities, groups, areas. So that's like we can see this afterwards. Here you can see one entity is added there is a prospect. So I've added this using entity here. When we search a prospect, as you can see, I've selected this entity here. Why it is showing here? Because I made one table uh, in our dataverse. So here you can see when we see there are so many tables I've created, but inside that one prospect table is there, right? So I've created this prospect table. Inside that I've created some columns also, means attribute. So it is a contract amount, contract currency, forecast revenue, such like that probability. So we will going to see that all the columns after playing this application. So I've created one form also from here. I've created one form in main form. So I've created this form also and a view also, as you can see here in the view. I've activated this view. Okay, and I've created one chart for it also. We will get this chart after after running this application, and I've selected one dashboard for it. So we are going to first run this application. We are going to see how it works. So here is the looks like. So as you can see, a prospect group here as name prospects area. So I've created this prospect area. As I've said before, we are going to see that. Yeah, now as you can see, a new area having a prospect groups. Inside that, we have a subgroup as a prospect area. I've selected as an entity from the table, and yeah, I've selected a prospect entity, which is mainly uh, as similar as table, which is also known as table. So I created this. Okay, so like this. A minute. Yeah. Yeah. Uh, now we are going to one record in it. So it is a view of our app. So when we are entering any data into it, it's like a and we can select a stage from it, such like opportunity, won, such like that. So we are going to select a won, and a contract amount would be 30,000, right? 30,000, right? No, it's yeah, now it's right. So when we are selecting when we are giving a probability into it, such like a 50%. So when we save it, a forecast revenue will generate automatically by calculating this 30,000 with this probability. When we going to save it, yeah, you can see it is already automatically get generated by using this probability. We are going to see that a formula for that, what we have applied. So for that you can see Suraj and the details are recorded here. So for that, yeah, how it is works, like we can show a chart for it also. As you can see, there are so many stages available there: lead, opportunity, won, and new option I've given there by mistake. So here are the amounts forecasted revenue. According to that, this bar chart is generated according to the record. We can um, edit this chart by using expand chart. We can also import and export this chart, right? So we are going to see a formula behind that, why it's generating like this. So we are going to see that formula. I've used a formula for forecasted revenue. I've created this formula as a forecast revenue value. Contract amount means a contract amount into into bracket probability divided by 100. It generates the forecast revenue. When we are entering a contract amount, which will be get multiplied by this probability divided by 100. So, so the forecast revenue will generate automatically. So, how this application runs. So, thank you. We'll see you in the next video.